wood tortilla press. And the last thing is the metal tortilla press.
I hadn't seen that.
That lasts forever,
here.
you know?
Yeah.
Many sizes.
Yeah.
Those are for making clayudas because they're big tortillas, you know? And this is a little grinder if you want to grind like corn, nixtamal. If you don't have a molino next door, well, you get one of those, you know. And when when it wears, you know, sometimes you change just this part.
Oh, just the grinder.
Uh-huh.
These are wonderful. I wish I could take one of these home.
Those really are good.
Uh-huh.
Hey, you can, I think you can get them, you say?
And this is for shaving ice. You go like that into your eyes.
Oh,
These are great.
tell Lorraine and Dahlia about these.
That's a grater. But this is a shaving
Is that what you
instrument.
make your French fries with?
So
That's
you-
for my potato chips.
Just this.
How much for one of these?
¿Qué cuesta el rallador?
¿Cuánto vale el grande, Paco? El grande.
El rallador. 50 pesos.
50?
Ajá.
I recommend it. It makes the best potato chips.
What about the medium size?
That's
¿Ese
40.
qué cuesta? 40. ¿Y el chiquito? 35.
So this one is what?
$42.
Two.
I recommend it.
How do you get it to stay though?
Wing
Just wing nut it?
Tighten it with the wing nut. Yeah, it's so cool.
Okay, I'm gonna
This
get one. 40?
And this is another thing we have, but I don't see that in Canada. Yeah, you just, it's so, I don't know why we don't